My grandmother was such an integral part of my cooking journey, and one thing she taught me from a young age was to never, ever waste food. Maybe that was because she was born in 1914 and withstood World War II and the Great Depression, but needless to say, her lessons stuck with me. One of her best leftover specialities was Bubble and Squeak, which was a mashup of the previous night's veggies pan-fried with some egg. I purposely made sure I had leftover mashed potatoes so I could fry it up the next morning. In retrospect though, I guess my grandmother's tips still have a big influence over my own cooking. I enjoy the problem solving and the creating of ingredients that need to be used up, and especially when they turn out so good. Some of the recipes that I've made over the years, I would never be able to make again. And it was once said about me that I'm an amazing cook, but don't expect me to ever be able to create the same thing twice. And I'm really thankful that nowadays we have the ability of so much technology and of course YouTube to be able to share what we know and to have that documented in case we do forget. I'm grateful that I always find ways to reinvent leftovers. And in this case, it was 3/4 of a can of coconut cream and some limes that also needed using. So working out the curd was easy, but I didn't want to make my normal raw tart base that was heavy with dates. I had less than a cup of almond flour, and so I adapted a base that would be lighter in texture. I was slightly dubious about how my creation would taste, but seriously, my mouth is watering just thinking of them. They are a little delicate, but so delicious, which is why I was eager to share them with you.